How to make flight reservation online without paying. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can book a flight reservation online without paying any money. First of all, just open this website called onwardkit.com, and after that on the home page you will see this option called book now. Just click on that, and here on this page you have to select the route, and I'm gonna select the route from Miami to New York. Just select the route, and after that just select the date. Suppose I'm selecting it on 30th September, and after that just go to the next page, and here just enter the passenger contact email. Just enter your email address right here, and after that just write the first and the last name. You can also add the number of passenger if you want to. I'm just selecting it for myself and just click on next. You can also receive ticket now, or you can receive it later. You can change over, like if you want multiple stop flight or a direct flight. Suppose you want a direct flight, just click on that, or if you don't, just you can let it be on multiple stop, and after that just click the currency and just press next, and it is checking the available flights for you. And here you can see all these details, and in order to confirm the ticket you just have to pay $16 right here. If you are okay with the information that you have selected, just check this box and click on confirm and pay, and on this page you have to make the payment of $16 and your flight ticket will be booked. So this is how you will be able to make a flight reservation online. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.